101 Dalmatians Puppy Parade. "Wake up, Purdy," said Pongo. "We're late for the puppy parade." "Oh my," yawned Purdy. "We must round up our 99 pups." "Arf! Arf! Thump! Thud! I found 10, called Pongo. "And here are 5, called Purdy, as puppies rolled off her back. Bump, jump, rump. Puppies stumbled down the stairs, while more rumbled into the room. A jumble of puppies tumbled across the floor. Puppies, puppies, everywhere. They leaped from baskets. They peeked from mops. "Come here, pups," called Purdy. Zoom, zip. Puppies raced from all over the place. Purdy counted all the pups. Oh dear, not enough. Purdy lifted a big rug. Aha! More spotty puppies. Plink, pluck, plink. Happy puppies played and sang. "Come along, pups," Pongo said. "It's time for the puppy parade." Pongo counted each little head. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. Only 95? "Here are 4 more, called Purdy. "They're in a cute parade car." "Here we all go," said Pongo, as 101 Dalmatians headed down the walk to the puppy parade. The end.